tiny hiccup isn't coming from your throat. It's coming from a muscle hidden beneath your lungs, the diaphragm. This muscle controls every breath you take, but sometimes it suddenly spasms. When that happens, your lungs rapidly pull in air and a flap in your throat snaps shut. That's what creates the sound. Scientists believe hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even sudden excitement. So the next time you hiccup, remember, it's not your throat. It's your diaphragm glitching for a split second.